So we filed a criminal complaint for tax evasion against another flood control contractor, this time against Mark Allan Villamor, the single proprietor of Wawao Builders. So we filed a complaint alleging tax deficiency of at least 48 million pesos. Basically, the basis of the complaint is that he was given a contract, to do a flood control project, a river infrastructure protection in Bulacan in 2024. He received the money, but no flood control project was actually made. So it's a ghost project. And then when he filed his returns, he declared costs for the alleged construction of the project. But since wala namang pong proyektong ginawa, so yung mga dineclare niya doon ng mga deductions, operating cost, are fictitious and inexistent. And therefore, that is the basis why we filed a tax evasion case against him.